Welcome to the Stoddard Hill Farm Railway here on the Brook Railroad channel, and to the screams of the alpacas in the background, we have a tool here that Bill is using called Moasure, and he's going to set it up here and measure the whole track.
Trace line.
So this interesting little tool, about the size of a 3/4 the size of a hockey puck. It's a Bluetooth tool that measures. It measures distance in 3 dimensions: height, width, and depth. And you walk along, and you stop at certain points, and it takes a measurement of where it is in space. There, just took a measurement. And walk along, and it tells you where to stop, and it takes another measurement. Now we continue past the end of the track up the roadbed. About as far as we can go above the logs here. And of course, what it gives you is a plot of where you've been, and it'll give you a 3D plot. I'll tell you what the grade is.
We started up and came down, so that's showing the start. So what we'll do then,
so it shows you the elevation difference from top to bottom, which is significant.
We'll do it again. Ready?
Okay. Do path or trace line, and just start walking. And you watch that light on the bottom, on the hockey puck down here. It turns green. It turns yellow when it wants you to stop and make a measurement.
Actually, you get to choose when to stop.
Ah.
It senses when you've stopped.
And it'll stop and take a measurement anytime you stop. But otherwise, it'll take a measurement every 6 seconds, it says. That's what it says, anyway. Oops. Have to hold it still when it's measuring.
Best not to chew gum and walk at the same time.
Yeah. And now it's happy. It makes happy sounds. And you can see the plot as you're walking along. This Moasure tool works even in the woods. You don't have to see GPS satellites to have it work. It works on its position in space somehow. There's probably a dozen accelerometers in it or something like that. It's this mysterious black box at the end of a stick. And I understand the stick is separate, sold separately. For doing this kind of work, the stick's kind of a necessity. You kind of want it. So it's called Moasure. M-O-A-S-U-R-E. Neat little tool. So there it is. And you can pull it up in 3D on your phone. And it'll give you the whole plot with elevation and everything.
We'll figure out how to figure out what the elevations are, but it's showing the full elevation from 0, which is where we started at the end of the railroad. And then as you can see, it shows where we're going. So at some point I should be able to get in there and measure the elevations and see what needs to be adjusted and what's not. And actually only one spot right in here needs to get some adjustment, but yeah, pretty cool. Let's just save this again. It's already saved. Great.
So that exports to a DXF file, among other file formats.
And we'll got to figure that out. Yeah.
Then you can save it and send it to yourself or something.
Yeah.
That'll be fun for doing the rest of the railroad bed, but some chainsaw work's got to get done so we can access it.
Yep.
So that's a day of measuring on the Stoddard Hill Farm Railway with Bill and his new tool called Moasure. And his cell phone.
And the cell phone. But got it saved, so then I can pull it up a little bit later, figure out how to export it to computer and print it out.
That's an interesting plot.
So you can download it. You can export it as any of those files right there, which we'll do as soon as I can get it figured out.
Yep. All right, well, I'll let you figure that out, and in the meantime, we'll see everybody on YouTube. Thank you for watching today's video, and hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that thumbs up button, and you can always subscribe if you want, if we earned it. Hit the bell notification icon. Make sure you don't miss the next video. Yeah. Have yourself a great day. Thanks for watching. I love plots.